All right, if you've got one of these DeWalt 20 volters drives, you can get these on Amazon. Check them out. It is one sick little battery. And look, if I press this button, it tells me how much I got in. I need to get 2 more, but it's loaded, so we can use it. So I'm going to show you guys this battery and how it works on this DeWalt. So check it out. All right, so I got to get it off, just like that. I squeeze this. See how that comes off? It catches in there, just like that. That's the exact same thing with this one. Look, this one might have a better action on it too. And so all you have to do is slide it on. There you go. Don't drill any holes in your heads. But that's it right there, man. It works like a charm. And I would highly recommend it. You can pick them up on Amazon. I've got them on there. And yeah, bam, peace out.